Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Snapchat cannot log in June 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first reason being server outages. Firstly, you want to simply open any browser that you prefer using, and then you want to simply go ahead and search for Snapchat server status, just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the first link, which is going to be down detector. And this is where it is going to go ahead and show you if there are any problems with the server. So as you can see, the server is already working, so it is not the server. It could also be your application. So the first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and force close your application and then try to reopen it again. If that doesn't work, it might have a potential update. Simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store, and then simply go ahead and search for Snapchat. Once you've done that, there might be an update. Simply go ahead and tap on the update button if there is. If there is not, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.